Bonjour, wizards, witches, and no magique. My name is David Cicello, and merci for taking the time out of your busy day to visit my channel, Wands and Reviews. At Epic Universe, part of the wizarding world of Harry Potter at Universal Studios Florida, you can travel to the yesteryears of the wizarding section of Paris, France. While there, you can visit Baguettes Magiques de Cosmo Aguë, a wand shop located in Rue Girardon Place, Cachet, Paris, where you can purchase 10 unique first-generation Parisian-inspired interactive wands from famous wand maker Cosmo Aguë. So sit back, get comfortable, as I share with you the 10 unique wands from Baguettes Magiques de Cosmo Aguë with you. Since there are 10 wands in this collection, I'm only going to show this one time to keep the video from becoming redundant and too long. As you can see, the wand box is triangular in shape, unlike a rectangular Ollivander's wand box. On one end, it has a triangle label that tells you what wand is inside. The front of the box has Cosmo Aguë's name embossed in gold. And on the bottom side of the box, it has the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and all the copyright information. Now, some of you might be asking, how do I open this box? I don't see a lid or anything that comes off on the end. Well, it's simple. See this little black tab on the middle of the box? If you pull on it, you can see that it's a hinged part of the box. I like to lay the box down, and by placing my finger on that little tab, you can rotate the box one time. In this first section that was revealed, it has a description written by Cosmo Aguë herself about the wand. As you continue opening the box, there's a little moisture packet which you can lay to the side. This middle section has a double-sided map that tells you how and where to cast spells within the Universal Parks. On one side, you have Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. On the opposite side, it has the Ministry of Magic. As you continue to open this box, you might notice that it's sideways. If you turn it towards yourself, you will notice in the back section a wand is sitting inside a faux flocked, cutout material that's holding the wand very securely. So now that you know how the wand boxes are, let's take a look at all 10 wands.
This Acacia wand design embodies a effortless combination of Baroque elegance with a modern tailored look of decorative art. The handsome, yet unpretentious silhouette is perfect for the loyal Acacia wand, which is best suited to those wielding beautifully understaffed, yet pot, magic. He always says that magic, it is an accident of birth, and that a happy accident. Recognizing their good fortune, the gifted owner of this wand will wield it with subtlety and grace. This chic, warm brown wand with a chartreuse accented handle is inspired by sunlight, saturating the linden trees in a Parisian park on a spring afternoon, the perfect location for a little mischief and magic. And this dogwood wand is adept at both. Qu'est-ce que la vie? What is life? Without a little whimsy? A dreadful test of endurance? Certainly. The owner of this baguette magic knows this all too well, and certainly has a passion for play equal to their aptitude for magic. The intricate accent on this one's sleek handle, bring to mind the copper cauldron in which he first honed my extraordinary potion-making skill. However, the blue wood of this fire wand evokes the fearsome memories, it mirrors the winter shadows on the Pyrenees Mountains, where I often lost myself while collecting wood for my premier design a young witch. This baguette magic is perfect for the strong-minded, resilient, sometimes intimidating witch or wizard who knows what they want, perhaps for a lifetime and possess an exceptional strength of purpose. The stylish, several handle atop my lacquer dolly wand reflects the delicate balance the wield of such a baguette magic must strike with their spell casting. Some say the serene elegance of this handle helps center those on a dangerous, perhaps spiritual quest. When said to me, he simply smiled and nod. A true artist to charts and minds in ways she never realized. One thing not open to interpretation, however, is that this rare and protective baguette magic is a perfect match for the impulsive witch or wizard, it will happily temper such tendencies. If a one could inspire confidence by its mere presence, it would be my Ivy baguette magique. It's dazzling, pearlescent and dull, in shades of sapphire rarely seen outside the Côte d'Azur, brings to mind the whimsical Billywig. And this wand will elevate its owner's magic just as the Billywig's playful sting, giddily levitate those in the magical creature's path. Is it a coincidence, that such a wand is perfect for those who easily rise above the fray, and consistently overcome obstacles? I think not. One word encapsulates the look and feel of this polished black oak wand, with a resplendent golden handle, elegance. And true elegance cannot be projected without courage and strength, both of which the owner of this exceptionally loyal baguette magique possess in abundance. Only, the witch or wizard who wields this wand knows what they want, and has not only the powerful intuition to go after it, but the ability to obtain it as well. Legendary, creative artists like me, are often inspired by each other's works. So, it is no surprise that the green patina-colored handle of this striking red wand brings to mind immediately the handsomely aged bronze statue in Sacré-Cœur. This connection to genius is no coincidence. A baguette magique of red is frequently drawn to an owner both eloquent and bold in spirit, très common among deep thinkers like us. The golden butterfly adorning the pastel blue handle of this baguette magic is capable of breathtakingly transformative spell casting, particularly spells d'amour and spells that heal, in my experience, often one and the same. Yet, the rosewood wand will pair only with a witch or wizard who is pure of heart and who appreciate the thrill of witnessing the healing metamorphosis that only love can bring. The graceful, almost whimsical sweep of this several vine baguette magic contrasts beautifully with its geometrically embellished, brass-colored handle. What may seem to the untrained eye to be a paradox of design is, in fact, a brilliant nod to the remarkable vision beyond the ordinary, with which such a wand's owner is most certainly blessed. The master of a vine one possessed and depth perhaps only truly understood by those of us with similar profundity. This stunningly crafted willow wand boasts a golden and pearlescent accented handle, featuring a single serene against a sea of green. My fellow artists know that time spent near the water restores the soul and encourages inner reflection. The owner of this beautiful oeuvre d'art understands that no matter how long the road ahead may seem, one must embrace challenge with a healthy balance of humility and gratitude for a life of continuous learning.
that is a look at all 10 of the Cosma Azure interactive wands from Epic Universe. Out of all these wands, I have to say that the Ivy wand is my favorite. I really like the coloration, the design is pretty, and it just feels right in my hand. What is your favorite wand from Cosma Azure? Let me know in the comments section below. According to the Harry Potter wiki, Cosma Azure was a French wizard and wand maker, the proprietor of Baguettes Magiques de Cosma Azure. At Epic Universe, for some unknown reason, this role is portrayed by Sammy Messina. Now, I know that some of you might say this is not canon to the character, but I'm okay with whoever they choose to play the character, whether it be male or female, as long as the character is brought to life, making the experience more magical at Epic Universe. And I know I'm looking forward to seeing her whenever I get to travel to Epic Universe, which will most likely be within the next year. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the interactive Parisian wands from Epic Universe with me today. If you did, please show my channel some of that magical Paris love by clicking on that thumbs up button. And while you're here, why not subscribe to my channel today if you're not already doing so? I really do appreciate it, as each and every like and new subscriber keeps me encouraged to keep sharing with you, and you can help me out by sharing this video with your family and all of your friends. Thank you for taking the time to visit my channel today, and please have a most wonderful, magical day.